Starting from the point where you filed your nails into the desired shape that you want and you've pushed back the cuticles, you can go ahead with a gel base coat. So just applying a nice even base, capping the free edge, and then following the individual manufacturer's instructions on whatever gel products it is that you're using. You can set the gel base coat in the UV lamp. If you choose to add a colour, I'm going to just use colour background on 3 of the nails. You don't have to do this step with the nail art pens, but I mean you can if you want a background colour. So I just wanted to show both, just so you can see the vibrancy of the pens with a background colour and again without one. So follow the manufacturer's instructions on whatever gel products that it is that you use and time it in the lamp for whatever it is that they say. Usually it's around 2 minutes, but just make sure you're doing it correctly. At this point, once it's cured the first layer, you can go in and do the second layer of colour, making sure that you cap the free edge. It just gives a nice even base, something, you know, a bit more interest in the background if you're using nail art pens. But again, this step is totally optional. You don't have to do a colour base if you don't want to. You can just do the clear base coat and start from then. At this point, you want to use an alcohol wipe after you've cured the second coat. This just removes any sticky residue from the gel. You don't want to use your nail art pens with sticky gel, so wipe them off and then give your pen a good shake once you select the colour you want to use. I'm going to stick to the season, which is Valentine's at the moment. Holiday, I don't know how to say that. But I'm just choosing to do some little love hearts and then a nice red flame, and add in some little love hearts on this nail as well, just to give a bit more of a Valentine's vibe to the whole thing. You can add in whatever you want to. I'm just using Valentine's as I suppose some inspiration, but you can of course do whatever it is that you want to do. You can use a few different colours as well, but I'm just sticking with the one for the purpose of the video. Once you've completed the nail art, you just have to wait a minute or 2 as these nail art pens air dry. And once you're confident they're dry, you can go in with a top coat and then set that in the lamp, following the manufacturer's instructions. And that's it, your nail art is now locked in for 2 weeks, or until you decide to soak off your gel polish manicure. I hope you enjoyed the video.